It's Professor Dave. Let's conjugate dare.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
For the first conjugation, we have 2 irregular verbs down and 2 to go. The next one we will look at is dare, which means to give. This will be conjugated in a manner that is similar to stare. Io do. Tu dai. Notice the AI instead of just I. Lei dà with an accent. Noi diamo. Voi date. Loro danno. Again, notice that there are 2 N's instead of 1. This verb will become much more complicated as we learn other grammatical tenses, so we will come back to it later. But let's first go over just a few idioms that use dare. Dare la mano means to shake hands. Dare una mano means to give a hand, as in to help out. Dare un passaggio means to give someone a ride or a lift. Dare un esame, unexpectedly, means to take an exam. Dare una festa means to throw a party. Dare I numeri means to go crazy. Dare per scontato means to take for granted. Dare una botta would mean to give someone a smack. And lastly, my favorite, we can use the second person singular, dai, when we want to antagonize someone. If you are running late because your friend is taking too long getting ready, you could say, dai, andiamo. Or, if someone is just generally bothering you, you could say, dai, basta. These are fun ways to sound very Italian very fast. More of those kinds of phrases later. First, let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.